on the boat today. We didn't really videotape before, and I'm waiting for my partners to get here, but so far, we have sides. And a kid on a motorcycle. We have sides of the boat, and we're just measuring based on Brina's size, well my size right now, but Brina's smaller than me, so I fit in here, and we're just kind of basing the sides. We're gonna cut this side piece, and then we're gonna fold the back piece so that it fits in the edge. We can just make that the back, because that'll be easier than cutting a new piece. So yeah, that's what we got so far. Going pretty good. Reinforcement in the side. So I've cut a piece in the middle, small piece, and I'm folding it. That way we can put it on the side here and just have it as reinforcements. Like that. Just for the inside. Once people come, we can duct tape that together. If people come sometime. Number 2 is here. And now we are going to, we have the reinforcement right here. Now we're going to tape those sides to this to make the sides of the boat. And the sides have like cutouts here so that we can make the edge of the boat. So yeah. And taping the side to the reinforcement. It's going well. And then this part is gonna come around on the side here. So while everyone is doubting this boat's ability to float, taping the bottoms, making sure it's airtight, that no water can get through. Yeah, kind of looks like a boat. Kind of. It's going good. Second partner has arrived. And we are currently, third partner has arrived, sorry. Second partner was already here. Fourth and fifth partner are
MIA.
MIA. So, we're
not dead.
Currently missing in action.
I know, that usually, okay, whatever.
Doesn't mean you're dead.
Continuing.
Anyway, so we're taping the boat right now. They want it in a cool pattern even though it's ruining our tape supply. So, cool pattern. We just have that much more of cool pattern to do. And it's turning out pretty well. Just hope it floats. Partners are off to go get Rubios, which is just as important, while I tape. A lot more. I want Rubios. Okay, so now we're cutting it like on the side, so that when we pull it out, it'll be like, instead of a box, more aerodynamic. Christine, pull it. Yeah, so we're gonna make it like that. The other side's gonna stay as a box, but we're trying to make it more like cornered. So yeah. So right now we're decorating the boat. They're writing Fisher Friends, Not Food, and they're gonna draw eyes and stuff to make it look like Bruce. We have that side, made it more aerodynamic, so it'll float better. And yeah.
Dude, I kind of like this right.
Okay, so we've made the back thing, which helped it to be more aerodynamic. There's Kendall's face. She's drawing.
Oh, you're filming.
Fish are friends, not food. And then Brina's over there. She's, excuse me, Kendall. Sorry.
We did.
She's drawing shark teeth because it's supposed to be Bruce. So, yeah, it's getting there. Okay, so Brina is on the scale and she weighs 110 minus 7 because it starts off bigger. And then Kendall's gonna give her the boat.
Oh. Thank you.
And then with the boat, it weighs 120. So I guess
115, you guys.
what?
Oh yeah, you're just looking at a different angle.
Oh
wait.
Okay. So just like step on it normally. It was about 120.
Yeah.
And so we're gonna subtract those, so the boat weighs about 10 pounds. Okay, so now that we have the weight of it, we're gonna find the volume by measuring leg times width times height, and then that little triangle thing. Okay, so we found the volume. That was the equation and stuff. And that is the volume of our boat. So now we're going to do something to find the water line. Go. So they're making the paddles right now. Yeah. Make them very aerodynamic. Paddles. I am decorating. Let's keep swimming. While we come to Moki. Okay, so we've made the water line right there. I don't think that's an actual water line, but the math is correct, so I don't know.
Races start at 12:30, right?
Yeah. So, did the math.
Races are right after school, 11:30.
The math is right here. A lot of numbers. We took
Perfect.
volume, and volume equals number. Then we multiplied it by 16.38. Came out with another number. Divided it by 459. Yeah. And then we did the equation on top times h. And we came out with 0.223. That is our water line.